guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm right here in Dubai.
The future belongs to those who imagine, design, and build. Echoed in the Museum of the Future's design.
Welcome to the Museum of the Future in Dubai.
It's a leap into the landscape of 2071.
My appointment is at 1 o'clock. Right now, I'm early. It's 12:30, so I got plenty of
Dubai's Museum of the Future isn't just a museum. It's a visionary leap into the landscape of 2071. Opened in February 2022 along Sheikh Zayed Road. This iconic torrential marvel, designed by Sean Keeler, is as much an architectural wonder as it is a cultural incubator. Before we go inside, I'm just going to give you insider tips. First of all, you want to download the official museum app ahead of time. Floors, maps, exhibit, and insight. Use morning slots to avoid crowds, especially the OSS hub and the viewing deck. Check for seasonal smart tours or events nights and AR-enhanced experiences. Combine your visit with other nearby attractions like the Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, DIFC, Art District, Al Fana restaurant nearby for authentic Emirate food. Also, when you're planning your visit, tickets and timing is very important. Adult tickets cost AED 145 and must be bought online for specific time slot. Best to book 2 weeks out. Hours of operations open daily 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekdays mornings are much quieter. Expect 2 to 3 hours.
I have a ticket already. Thank you. So I just got my wristband. My appointment was at 1, but they were kind enough to let me in early. So that's good because I'm going to have to check out from the hotel and go.
So the entry is via a drop pod elevator right there, greeted by an atrium with color graphic glow. Don't miss the robot barista. And be sure to pick a 3D printed souvenir post visit. You may ask why and why does it matter? The Museum of the Future isn't just a showcase of futuristic fantasies. It reflects Dubai's ambition to create the future and not wait. As echoed in its design, the future belongs to those who imagine, design, and build it. And that's exactly what they're doing. It stands as a beacon for innovation and global dialogue. Here, architecture, sustainability, technology, and culture merge into a living blueprint for tomorrow. Dubai's Museum of the Future is architecture that speaks, encircled by 1,024 stainless steel panels etched with illuminated Arabic calligraphy, poetry penned by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The structure seamlessly bridges the past and the future. Visitors can even stand in window alcoves carved into the script, offering breathtaking views of Dubai's skyline. You see that at the end when its LEED Platinum certification reflects meticulous sustainability, passive solar design, grey water systems, solar arrays, and a green podium roof planted with 80 species, together reducing energy demands and mitigating heat island effects. Your journey through time. The visitor path begins at the 5th floor and descends through 7 futuristic chapters. So the first chapter is OSS Hub Level 5. Step into a simulated orbital space. That's what we were doing here, learning about the orbital space. You step into this simulated orbital space station set in 2071 into the future, guided by the AI avatar Aya. Take a listen.
The code name for a global effort to power the Earth using solar energy collected from space. يشكل حزام الطاقة الكهروضوئية القمري الركيزة الأساسية لهذا النظام. يتألف الحزام من ألواح شمسية تدور حول القمر على مسافة أكثر من 10,000 كيلومتر. تتحول
Movement therapy. All right, this is movement therapy. So what happens when I... okay, it's like a soft depression. Like, oh, this is good. What happens when I step? That is so cool. So soft. Nice. All right. Museum. Dreams. The future of perfumery. So you can make perfumes here. Mix up different chemicals. Aerial taxi, Dubai aerial taxi. Audi. Oh, it feels, oh my god, it feels so good, the fans. Wow, I needed that. I never really realized how hard I was. School bus, huh? Cool bus. That is so cute. The future taxis, the drone. Level number 4 is the Hill Institute. You walk through an immersive Amazon rainforest installation you complete with a vault of life, showcasing 2,400 genetic codes. This exhibit explores climate repair, biodiversity and bioengineering approaches. Take a listen. Wander through capsule pods, imagining moon and solar energy farms in space.
Not plastic, not polyester, not plastic.
The Trinidad and Tobago Carnival is a vibrant and colourful celebration known for its music, dance, and elaborate costumes. It's a lively expression of culture and tradition. Have you ever experienced it?
What does it say? My performance has improved. Good job. Okay, that's good. You're in the day. Hi guys, I'm here at the Museum of the Future.
Level number 4 is Tomorrow Today. Showcases prototypes tackling real-world challenges, autonomous vehicles, delivery robots, electric jets, and eco-materials. A future tech sandbox and the perfect deck for skyline photos. I did mine on this one. Check it out.
So I'm just waiting for the family that's taking pictures, then I can get out of here. I need to go and pack and move to the next hotel. And then I have an activity that I have to catch up and okay.
back on level 1, you have AI robots. You can ask any questions and AI will have an answer for you. So take a listen to some of the questions that the audience were asking.
So this is the top observation deck. Viewing the wow.
And this level is about preservation. They have genetic codes for every species in the world, planning for the future. Preservation. We interacted with so many of these. They give you like a little phone or computer where you can scan it and it tells you the species, how long it's gonna live, is it gonna be in the future or if it's gonna die, and what the prediction of how long it will stay from today into the future. This was really good. You have to do this when you visit the Museum of the Future.